Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to do an extended testing video of the RetroGame G1000 Aiwo. We're going to test on N64 and I'm very curious how it's going to run. They are not advertising this on the box, but it runs N64 and let's see if it's even playable. So stay tuned and let's play. Wait, did you say this way? Let's go! Wow, that was horrible. And these are one of the earliest released games. Most of the emulators that are running decent emulation of N64 can run these games, but this, oh my god, it's a real bummer, to be honest. I'm getting the idea that the sound is very messed up, but the emulation is of course poor, but oh my god. If you look at the frame rate again, it's more like a sound issue than... Okay. Okay. We're not going to listen too much to the sound because it's so horrible. No, it's running really slow. Really slow. Oh. What? Oh, the analog stick is not... Oh. I cannot steer. The analog stick is not correctly configured on this thing. That is bad. That is really bad. Alright, let's try this game. The controls are working. Okay, I can even select some. Oh, not the credits! Alright. Come on, man, I want to see some gameplay. I want to see some action. Oh, just great, because I'm missing out the analog stick. The sound is horrible. Alright, so for the final conclusion, this is a pretty short test because it runs all like crap. The emulation is pretty damn poor. In the main review I already did this testing with N64 a little bit, and this only game I tested was running horrible, but to be honest I was hoping that the two-dimensional games were playable, but it's all crappy. And not to forget that this controller issue. Maybe if you can connect an other USB controller, you can reconfigure everything, including the analog stick, it still works. But yeah, who cares? Because the emulation is damn poor in this thing. This is what you're going to get. And but I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And if you want to see some real retro arcade action, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Oh, this is bad. Oh. So long, Bowser.